Why pay for 11 Labs when you can use something even better for free? Yeah, if you've been following my channel, you already know this is not my original voice. This is an AI voice with real emotions. It can laugh, sound excited, even sound natural. And the sweet part? It's completely free. Another sweet part is that you can generate voiceovers in different languages and accents. For example, hi and welcome to the channel in French sounds like this. Salut et bienvenue sur la chaîne. In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate human-sounding AI voices with real emotions using Google AI Studio, totally free. But before we continue, let's switch back to my original voice.
Alright, welcome back to my original voice. Now, quick question. Do you want me to continue recording my videos with my original voice or should I be using AI voice for recording? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Now, before we continue, I want to quickly show you a text to explain why I said why pay for 11 labs when you can get a better option for free. I have a simple text that contains different emotions. First, I'm going to text it on 11 labs. After that, I'll also text it on the free alternative, and they are going to be the judge in the comment section. Now, let's go. Alright, so here we are on 11 labs. You can see this is 11 labs up here, and 11 labs is actually a paid tool, you all know. And now I've also selected one of their default voices, that is the voice that they're willing to give you for free. Now I have a script ready, so I'm just going to paste the script and we are going to generate a voiceover using 11 labs. And after this, I'm also going to paste that same script on the free alternative that I'm about to share with you in this video. And after that, you compare the two voiceovers and they are going to be the judge in the comment section. So now let me paste the script. Now I'm going to hit on generate. Let's generate this page. Alright, so our voiceover is ready. I'm just going to play the voiceover so that you listen. In this voiceover, I actually added a part of emotion. If you look here, you're going to see laughs. So let's see how 11 Labs voiceover handles this part because I made sure to add some emotions to this. So let's see. I'm going to play the voiceover so that you are going to listen to it. Now listen.
You know, progress isn't always fast. Sometimes it feels like you're doing everything right, but nothing is changing. Still, you keep showing up every day because deep down you know giving up won't help. There were moments I almost quit, but somehow I kept going. And then one day you look back and realize, wow, I've actually come a long way. Laughs. But not every day feels like that. Hmm. Some days are quiet. Some days feel heavy. Yet even then you remind yourself, this journey isn't over.
Alright, so you have listened to the voiceover now. Remember that part I mentioned laughs? You see that the AI went there and it did not laugh. It said laughs and continued. Now I'm going to paste this same script to the free AI tool that I'm about to share with you in this video. Let's go. Alright, so the free AI tool that we are going to be using is Google AI Studio. So go to your browser and search Google AI Studio. Google AI Studio. Calm down, don't rush, don't skip any part of this video. Search for Google AI Studio. You are going to see the first option. Click on it. Now, once you go to Google AI Studio, it's going to bring you to this particular interface. Now, scroll and you are going to see turn text into audio with Gemini. This is what we are here to use and it is completely free. And the sweet part is that you can actually generate voiceovers in different languages and different accents. And you can also generate dialogues using this particular AI. When I'm talking about voiceovers, I mean voiceovers with real emotions. I'm not saying that 11 Labs is not good, 11 Labs is good. But before you can be able to enjoy their premium voices, you have to pay. But this tool is giving you free access to all these premium voices for free. Now, let me show you how to use it. Now, click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this interface. You can see here, you can see speaker 1, speaker 2. Now, if you want to use this particular feature, it means that you want to generate a dialogue. That means you want more than one person to be speaking in your voiceover. Don't worry, we get to this part later. Let's discuss the part of single speaker. Now, to use the part of single speaker, click at this top here. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this interface. Now you can see multiple speaker and single speaker. You use multiple speaker if you want to generate a dialogue. You use single speaker if you want to generate just one voiceover with one narrator. So I'm just going to click on single speaker. Now if you click on single speaker, if you click below here, you are going to see voice. This is where you select the AI voice that you want to use for your voiceover. Now you can see different AI voices. Now I'm just going to select the one that I want to use for this particular video. Alright, so I like this particular voice, so I just selected this one. You can just come here and select the voice that you want to use. They are giving you free access to all the premium voices that you want. So make your choice, select the voice that you want to use. Now I've selected the voice, and here is where you input the style instructions. If you look up here, you're going to see style instructions. You can see read aloud in a warm and friendly tone. You can decide to change that depending on the type of voiceover you want to generate. Now let me paste that same script that we used for 11 labs. You are going to be the judge in the comment section. Let me paste the same script. Alright, so I've pasted the same script. Now let's generate. Alright, our voiceover is ready. Remember, I added some parts, some emotions in this particular script to show you something now. Now I'm going to play this voiceover. You listen and then you be the judge. Compare the two of them, the voiceover that we got from 11 Labs and the one that we got from Google AI Studio for free. Now let's play it. Listen.
Progress isn't always fast. Sometimes it feels like you're doing everything right, but nothing is changing. Still, you keep showing up every day because deep down, you know giving up won't help. There were moments I almost quit, but somehow I kept going. And then one day, you look back and realize, wow, I've actually come a long way. But not every day feels like that. Some days are quiet. Some days feel heavy. Yet, even then, you remind yourself this journey isn't over.
Did you see how this particular AI handled the emotion? This part that I added laughs. You see how it laughed like a real human being. And this part that he said, like, just compare the two of them. The one we got from 11 Labs, which is a paid tool, and the one we got from Google AI Studio, which is a free tool. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And then again, using this Google AI Studio, you can also generate voiceovers in different languages and accents. So I have this script for a Nigerian pidgin accent. So I'm just going to paste the script here on my Nigerian guys, so you be the judge of the pidgin English. You can see how AI is going to speak pidgin for you now. Let me paste the script. Alright, now I've pasted the script for the pidgin English, that is Nigeria pidgin English. Now I'm going to run this so that you listen and see how AI is going to handle the pidgin English. I would have also compared it to 11 Labs, but because I don't want this video to be lengthy, I'm just going to run it on Google AI Studio. Now let's check. Alright, our pidgin English is ready. If you're a Nigerian and you're watching this video, I want you to be the judge of this pidgin English. Let me know, how do you feel? Do you feel that the AI tried, or do you feel that the AI was excellent with the pidgin English? Now listen.
You know say growth no dey happen sharp sharp. Sometimes you go dey try your best, but e go be like say nothing dey change. But you still dey push because you know say if you stop, na there wahala go start. Some days e dey sweet, you go look back and say, I don try small oo. But make we no lie, some days e heavy. You go just sit down dey think, but still you no give up because progress e dey come. E just dey take time.
Wow, you can see how the voiceover was. Me as a Nigerian, the pidgin was perfect. If you're a Nigerian and you're watching this video, let me know what you think about this pidgin English. Now, I'm going to try a French. I don't know what the French means, but I just got it from ChatGPT. And if you understand French, tell me what that French means. Now, let me paste the script for the French. Alright, so the French voiceover is ready. Let's play it and see. Like I said, I don't understand French. So if you understand it, please interpret for us in the comment section. Listen.
Les bonnes choses prennent du temps. Chaque petit pas compte. Même quand c'est difficile, tu continues d'avancer. Crois en toi. Tes efforts ne sont pas inutiles. Un jour, tu regarderas en arrière et tu souriras.
So this is the voiceover. Now this shows you that you can actually use Google AI Studio to generate voiceovers in different languages and different accents, yes, with real human emotions. Unlike 11 Labs. 11 Labs is trying when it comes to human emotions, but when it comes to human emotions, I give it up for Google AI Studio. They are really the best. Now, let's talk about the multiple speaker. Yeah, I said that we are going to discuss that later in this video. So, click at the top here. Once you click at this top, it's going to bring you to this interface. Now, I want to show you how to use multiple speaker. That is, you want more than one person to be talking in the voiceover that you want to generate. So, I'm just going to move this to multiple speaker. Now, once you come to multiple speaker, you're going to see speaker 1. This is speaker 1, and this is the voice for speaker 1. And then if you scroll down again, you're going to see speaker 2, and this is the voice for speaker 2. So you can come here to change the voice, to select the voice that you want to use for each speaker. Now, this is the dialogue. If you come here, here that says speaker 1, this is where you paste what you want the speaker 1 to say. And now this is speaker 2. This is where you paste what you want speaker 2 to say. Now, if you want their conversation to continue, like these two persons, if you want them to continue talking, all you have to do is to click here to add more dialogue. Now, if you click on add dialogue, you see that another speaker has been added. You can see speaker 1 has been added again, and then you click on add dialogue again, you can see speaker 2 has been added again. Now I'm just going to run this so that you can see how the voiceover for dialogue actually sound. Meanwhile, let me delete these additional speakers that I added because I just want to use this for tutorial. So I'll delete this speaker too. Now I'm just going to run this. Let's see what we have. Alright, so now our voiceover is ready. I didn't use my own scripts. I just used the text that they have already on their system. So now I'm going to play the voiceover. So listen.
Hello! We're excited to show you our native speech capabilities.
Where you can direct a voice, create realistic dialogue, and so much more. Edit these placeholders to get started.
Alright, so you can see how the dialogue voiceover actually sounds. Now, to download your voiceover is very simple. All you just have to do is to click on these three dots here. Once you click on these three dots, you're going to see download. Let me show you. You're going to see download. Once you click on download, the voiceover is going to be downloaded straight to your phone. Yeah, very simple and easy. So this brings us to the end of this tutorial. If you got value, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. My name is Jen Francis. See you guys on the next video. Peace out.